Hello everyone, so today I am doing my first ever Victorian waterfall. We're on a bit of a road trip around the state and we're on the Great Ocean Road and we're going to be doing Erskine Falls today, which is a famous waterfall. It's the waterfall that the Falls Festival is named after. It's only a short walk, about 10 minutes, but it just goes in down there. Ooh. So we're going to go check it out. So yeah, 25 minutes return, the sign says. We follow these stairs down. We're going to get to a little lookout of the upper section of the falls in a sec, which you can just hear through there and see through there. So I'll give you a look from the lookout when we get there. It is very pretty. And go off this way. $150 meters to the bottom. Just coming into the lookout now for the falls. So we scrambled just past the lookout and got a really nice vantage point of Erskine Falls. It's a very impressive waterfall, about 30 metres high. Nice little pool, flowing well, awesome spot. There's also just a bit further back where, when I was coming into the lookout, there's a little track that goes off to the right, which is how I would make it here, but it also goes to another falls called Straw Falls further downstream. But that track is shut at the moment and Straw Falls is nowhere near as impressive, but here is a look of Erskine Falls. Really nice. And then if I pan a bit downstream for you, there is the lookout. Okay, just near the end of the walk now. It's a really nice little walk this. About 180 steps up we counted, but nothing too difficult. It's only about a 5-minute walk to the falls, which is really nice, especially when they're flowing well like today. But yeah, that's going to be it for this video. This is Erskine Falls, the first of several waterfalls we're going to be seeing on this trip, and I'll be making some videos of. So keep tuned for the next ones. But yeah, I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.